Today on Maths Sparks, we are going to discuss graph inequalities. They are discussing about this line. Okay, as the shading is below this line, there because of that, the lesser sign is towards y, and equal to sign is because this is a fixed line. In case of the dotted line, we don't put the equal to sign. Now, if we check out, this triangle is made by three lines. This green one, let's form out the inequality for this green line. First of all, we need to make the equation of this line. This is intersecting y-axis at -4. This is -4. The equation of this line will be equal y is equal to -4. Now check out, the shading is above this green line. So changing this into inequality, greater than and equal to -4. This will be the inequality for the green line. Let's come to the third line. The third boundary, I am marking it with this pink. Third boundary of this triangle. Here it is intercepting at this point. This point is 4 of x-axis. So equation of this line will be x equal to 4. Remember, this is a vertical line. Vertical lines, the intercept is at x-axis. And for the horizontal line, the intercept is at y-axis. So if we check out, the shading is on the left side of x equal to 4 line. It means it is decreasing. So changing into inequality, it will become x is lesser than and equal to 4. In this graph, again, there is a triangle. It has three boundary lines. We can see the red one is a dotted one. When there is a dotted line, the equation is already given to us, and they have already tells us with the equation, they have already changed it into the inequality. It's written y is greater than minus x plus 1. There is no equal to line with the greater than sign because the line is dotted. Let's work on to the other two boundaries of the triangle. I'm marking the upper boundary with a pink line. Okay, let's form the equation of it. It is a horizontal line. So equation will be y is equal to 4. Then after y equal to 4, the shading is below this line. It means y is less than and equal to 4. Let's move to the third one. This I'm marking it with the yellow. This is the third boundary of this triangle. This is a vertical line. The equation will be x equal to 4. The shading is on the left side, means numbers are decreasing. So it will be x is less than and equal to 4. Hope this concept is clear. The most important point to remember is about the dotted lines. Okay. In this graph, they have already mentioned the shaded region. Along with the shaded region, they have marked the equations for us. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to simply change it into the inequality. Let's start with the first one, that is x equal to 1. X equal to 1, the shading is on the right side. It means the numbers are increasing on the right, so our equation will be changing it into inequality. X is greater than and equal to 1. Equal to 1 comes because it's a dark line. Moving to the slant line, which is dotted, the equation is given y is equal to x. Changing it into inequality, the shading of the region, the gray region, is above this line. It means y is greater than x. There will be no equal to line because it's a dotted one. Okay. Moving to the third one, the equation given to us is y is equal to minus x plus 7. It's a dark line and the shading is below this line. We can see the shading is below this line. It means y is lesser than and equal to x plus 7. That is how we come to know this line. Now let's discuss in a quicker way. Suppose that equation was not given to us. So how we are going to make the equation? We will check out the y-intercept. Check out here, y-intercept is 7 and check the y-intercept here is 7. Then you have the equation y equal to mx plus c. You can find out the value of m by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is a gradient, and eventually you can insert the gradient into y equal to mx plus c to get these things. There is a red dot given over there. If we need to get to know that what are the coordinates of it, we can simply mark out the coordinates. The coordinates of this point is 2, comma 4. It lies inside the region. These are some inequality symbols for the knowledge. While solving of the inequalities, we could have an idea of it. Thank you.